Hi, my name is Akila Razan Gunawan. You can call me Akil.
Hi, my name is Inaya Sutarintias and you can call me Iin.
Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Mobil Katang.
Hi, my name is Azara Dilsami and you can call me Zara.
Hello everyone, my name is Ulul Fidianta Syafa Effendi.
Hello everyone, back again with Chit Chat Cast, where we taste and review all types of food and restaurant in Purwokerto. Don't you miss us?
Of course they miss me, but not you, duh.
Grumpy as always, Anyway, I'm Michelle Mobil Katang.
Well, I, Azara Dilsami. Today we're going to experience a cafe or coffee shop which is really popular and it's everyone's favorite place to hang out with your friends. Can you guess what it is?
Ding dong, it's Kopi Kenangan Cafe, where it's located at Arcawinangun, Purwokerto.
We also bring three special guests for us today. I'm very honored to have Inaya, Akil, and Vivi as our guests today. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having us. I'm really glad to be here. Can't wait to share my thoughts.
I'm very much excited to be here.
Sam as well. Let's get to it.
Maybe we shall start off with the service experience first. What were your thoughts on how the staff treat you?
As soon as I walked in, I was greeted by the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The staff was behind the counter, chatting and laughing. It felt really welcoming.
That's always a good sign. How did the staff treat you when you approached the counter?
They were super friendly. The barista took the time to recommend their recommended drinks. It didn't feel rushed at all.
Did they ask about your preference?
Yes, she asked if I like sweet or bold flavors. It felt personal, like they genuinely cared about my experience.
They recommended me caramel macchiato and until now it's still my favorite coffee. They really know how to pick a recommendation for their customer, is it?
So, before we dive into the menu, let's talk about the ambience and decor of Kopi Kenangan. What do you think, Vivi?
I really like the vibe here. The warm lighting and cozy seating make it great for hanging out or working on your laptop.
Absolutely! The modern decor adds a nice touch too. The place making the place feel fresh and trendy.
For sure now, let's discuss the location. It is in Arcawinangun, which is quite easy to get to. How was your way to get there?
Getting here was simple. There is plenty of parking and the area has good public transport options like Grab and Gojek.
That's a big plus. Now, how about cleanliness and hygiene? What did you think of that, Vivi?
I was impressed. The tables were clean and the staff was regularly tidying up. It really gives a good impression. They also keep the restroom well maintained, which is important for any cafe.
Definitely, a clean environment really enhances the overall experience. Kopi Kenangan has made a name for itself, not just with its trendy drinks, but also with a unique menu that appeals to both coffee lovers and casual drinkers. What are your thoughts on their menu offering?
I love how diverse it is. They have traditional Indonesian coffee like the classic kopi susu, and then they also venture into innovative drinks like their salted caramel coffee. It's a great blend of heritage and modern flavors.
Yes, they really tap into local tastes while keeping it fresh. But let's talk about food quality. From your experience, how do you think Kopi Kenangan stack up?
I think they do a great job. The quality of their coffee beans seems top notch. You can really taste the difference. Plus, their drinks are consistently well made, which is crucial for any coffee brand.
For sure, freshness is key, and they've also got some tasty snacks to go with the coffee. Do you think the quality of food complements the drinks well?
Definitely, they pastry and snack add nice touch, making a complete experience. You get great coffee and you can enjoy a little something to match on too.
Now let's talk about value for money. Some might argue that specialty coffee can be pricey. How does Kopi Kenangan measure up in that regard?
I think they strike a good balance. Their prices are reasonable for the quality you receive. Plus, with the variety of drink, there's something for everyone's budget.
Great. They've created an accessible brand that doesn't compromise on quality. It's nice to see a coffee shop that caters to different preferences while keeping it affordable.
Exactly, it's all about making a good coffee accessible, and that's what keeps customers coming back for more.
Well said. That wraps up our discussion on Kopi Kenangan. If you haven't tried their coffee yet, we highly recommend it. Checking them out.
Well, what do you think about the overall experience? Do you know what made it memorable and whether you recommend to others?
The staff was friendly and attentive, creating a welcoming vibe that made me feel right at home. I also loved the selection of pastry. They were fresh and delicious, pairing perfectly with my coffee. Overall, my experience was overwhelmingly positive. I would definitely recommend Kopi Kenangan to anyone looking for great coffee in a warm and friendly environment. It's the perfect spot to unwind, catch up with friends, enjoy some quiet time with a good book, or do some assignments.
It sounds like a win. What would you rate Kopi Kenangan?
I will give it a solid 4 out of 5. Great coffee, lovely atmosphere, and friendly service.
I'm right there with you, Akil. I'd give a 4 as well. It's a great spot to relax or work. And that's bring us to the end of our podcast. We hope you enjoy our culinary journey to Kopi Kenangan.
Thank you for joining us, and of course, a special thanks for our special guests who willing to share their experience with us. Until next time, keep exploring your flavor and enjoying every meal.
Catch you next time. Bye bye.